Hi, I'm Furey, and welcome back to my Airsoft review of Japan. So we've headed back to Akihabara, Tokyo, for a look around the Airsoft shops. Akihabara, like I was saying in the last video, is like a proper geeks central, and it's full of loads of cool stuff, like model shops, and also lots of good Airsoft shops are here. We're in Ichigoya, in Akihabara. It's one of Tokyo's best Airsoft shops apparently. So let's take a look around. As you can see, the Tokyo Maru stuff is really prevalent again. It's pretty popular amongst Japanese players. Range of accessories is pretty awesome. It's certainly better than what you get in shops in Europe. Some of this Japanese equipment is really hard to find actually. Notice how busy it is in here, and how public the shop is. It's like rather than being on some far-flung industrial estate, it's like right in the centre of town. Lots of people wandering around, chatting. Really good atmosphere actually. Good range of tactical kit too. Lots of small gloves there. Haven't seen an SG1 for a while either. Very helpful stuff. Okay, that was Ichigoya. Really good buzz in there. Like, it's nice to see an Airsoft shop actually on the high street. With just people wandering in and out. It's quite nice. A little hard to find because it is above a noodle shop, but it's still pretty mainstream really, certainly compared to the UK. So on to the next one. So as Europeans, what we're used to is having shops with a front actually on the street, and you walk straight off the street into the shop. But actually in places like Tokyo or Hong Kong, they're so packed and spaces at such a premium. If you want to find good shops, you actually have to go into lifts, climb stairs, and find them on upper floors, which seems odd. This one was well worth seeking out. Excellent range of Airsoft stuff, including the Bison, which was quite new at the time, and I've definitely got my eye on. Yeah, good range of accessories. Okay, just briefly, the nice man's let me have a look at the new Maru M870. Might be old news to everyone else, but this is the first one I've played with, and it's really nice. It's really solid actually. I'm definitely going to pick one of these up, if only it would fit in my luggage. Yeah, I know, it's an old gun now, but it took me a while to edit this video. Something you definitely don't see outside of Japan is the Tokyo Maru Light Pro series. Loads of plastic. And they really are lightweight, like seriously lightweight, like pistol weight, and they're a bit cheaper than the regular Maru AGs. This shop also had a really good range of model kits, model trains, that kind of stuff, and like lots of stuff that you don't see at all in Europe. So let's see if we can locate the next shop. It will involve climbing stairs. doesn't look quite right to me. Okay, that's just a model shop. I don't see any airsoft gun here either. Okay, I have no idea what was going on the middle floor there, but I've got a map off of Hyperodactyl on my phone, and it's got the dots on here. I've worked out where those two shops. It's all in kanji, so I can't really understand what the dots are saying, but they must be leading me to airsoft shops, so I'm going to walk to the rest of the dots and let's see what I find. Hopefully I don't find any more weird shops for men buying dresses. It's Japan, anything could happen. Oh fuck. Next shop. Ah, an actual shop selling the airsofts. So this is the new Maroon model with the sound headset Dibri, and the store owners can let me have a go, which is great. Ah, cool. 2 words. Game changer. Okay, I've been pretty reserved so far. All I've bought is a new valve key and an awesome sticky back shell holder to go onto my MA70, which may appease my MA70 lust for a few more days. So the next shop is in a multi-floor market with a lot of second-hand goods, and really struggling not to get distracted by all the awesome stuff that was on sale. And it was like a little airsoft shop in the corner. I mean, interesting enough, but sort of fairly budget gear. And some sort of shop selling boy band ping pong rackets. Like, I lost me there a bit. Okay, this one was really hard to find. There's no English markings on it at all. I asked a group of lads for directions, and like 10 of them walked across 2 city blocks to find me this place. Brilliant. I love Japan. Now here's a side of TM which you don't see in Europe. It's a TV show, I guess, with a TM tie-in. And I just caught this cool little poster sat outside the lift for this shop. Awesome range in this shop. Really nice staff too. Brightly lit, as ever. Yeah.
Big sound.
Yeah, yeah.
Gun sound system is included model.
Right.
That's new.
I hear they're releasing a an AEG as well.
Air cooking. That's
oh, yeah.
VS out there. You know?
Yeah, yeah.
Sound systems.
Cool.
That's cool.
I like.
I love it.
You think this is a new big thing? This could be quite a new.
Sorry. I'm poor. I'm sorry. This thing is very bad. Very poor. Sorry.
That's okay. Your English is better than my Japanese, I guarantee.
Sorry. Very sorry.
So I saw these at the Airsoft site. They are completely magic. I don't know, full of Japanese techno science wizardry, and they make you instantly cold. So I'm definitely have some of these because it's kind of warm today. Another well-stocked, well-lit Akiba airsoft shop. Oh, Akiba is short for Akihabara, by the way. I like the way the Japanese shops are just so well lit. It's like eyeball-searingly bright. There's only one way to finish off a day of shopping, and that is to hit a maid cafe. If you're not aware of what a maid cafe is, you basically sit there and eat like comfort food, like omelettes and stuff, and drink cocktails. Sometimes you like read comics, and cute girls in little outfits serve you, and you sort of chat to them and stuff. And this one's themed on a World of Tanks. Cocktails and merriment were had. You're not allowed to shoot video in them, hence the crappy photos. And so all that was left to do was retire to my luxurious hotel, which was a coffin of some sort. But it was time for me to depart on my next adventure. Straight after Japan I went off to Hong Kong and lived there for a while. And if you tune in for some more of my vids, then I'll give you a little taste of Airsoft in Hong Kong too. Thanks for watching.